Kami po ang unang tao papunta ng Mount Fuji. Since 2023 daw.
Hindi siya na yung katawan ko
Napakaganda ng panahon.
Pahinga? Oo, sa day off. Nanakit lang yung buong katawan ko sa... Ngayon lang ako nag-day off ulit.
Morning. Happy New Year, guys.
Look, wait up. Hey, Jim! Let's go!
Panta mo kaya?
In about 5.5 kilometers.
Sabi sa'yo, hindi. Ganun-ganun yung daan.
Yay! First time ka dito!
Punta doon sa ano? Uy, punta sa...
Si Rolo yun, ah.
Ay, grabe!
Hey! Edlen, so proud of you! Hey, basic! Hey!
Ano yung ginawa nila sa gilid, pre? Yung ano sa gilid ba?
Titingin kayo sa emerald.
Makalimutan ni Kuya. Hey! Hello, vlog.
Iilang ako. Ay, iilang.
Ay!
Totoo nga.
Babe, need mo ng vlog.
Kasama natin siya nung una. Si ano pala yan, Kuya, tapos si Mami. Outfit check.
Pindot, muro bilis na eh.
Isa lang si Jim. Si Tarot sa bangko na siya takit. Nalalamig lang si Jimmy.
Ngayon? Eh, talaga ba?
10 minutes, magsasara na yung mall. Tumakbo pa sa Mountaineer.
Auto GMA, ABS o ano?
TV5 to, pre.
Shout out dyan sa inyo.
Shout out!
Ready for tuning. Let's go.
Puro mga vloggeries pala ito mga to. Baka may mag-picture sa inyo bigla, ah.
Tapos yung editing mga after 1 year po.
Ay, totoo. Ang hirap mag-edit, guys.
Ay, nandito cellphone mo.
Hmm?
Sarado mo ito. Sarado mo ito. Sarado mo ito. Nandiyan yung cellphone mo.
Hold na.
Ano, 4 na patungan. Kaya walang tayo sa akin. Shout out dyan sa inyo.
Uy.
Ang hirap mag-fish.
True.
Pero ano naman? Okay naman.
To park this way. Kami po ang unang tao papuntang Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji. Babe, nandun lahat ng DJ bag. Nice. Ang gusto ko, may ambag. Bakit nag-enable siya?
Ha? Ayan. Good best bet na rin dito. Yung tubig. Tangin.
Kaya pa? Kami po yung mga group ng vloggers.
Wait, i-reserve.
So guys, bago kayo pumunta ng tubig, so make sure meron kayong ticket.
Wait, tatlong pinagsama-sama.
Kamusta naman kayo?
Anong tawag dito, Jeff? Cafeteria? Or parang ano?
Yan may mga merch lang sa likod dati. Nagulo. Pwede ka magulo naman mga may mga food sila dun.
Ay, oo nga.
Hindi, anong susunod sila sa downtown? True. Parang nakakapagod humihinga ito. Let's go. Okay lang yung gloves mo?
Tara, pre.
Thank you, babe.
Gas G, para makarami. Para makarami.
Ayun, ayun.
Ang sarap matuto ng ganun, no? Pwede mo.
Mahirap yung ski. Pero yung snowboard madali.
Ayasag.
Galing mo yun. Taylor magaling mo ganyan eh.
Ha?
Taylor?
Panoodin mo yung yan. Nag-compete siya sa ganyan.
Talaga?
Picture guys, picture. 1, 2.
Kapainom, baka malimutan diretso sa baba.
Thank you.
Yung kay Jim pala, si Jim na lang.
Jump na, sa'yo ba yan? Ay, hindi po.
Ilagay
Ito na lang.
kakabit, wait lang. So, eto daw.
Ayan.
So, this one daw goes sa... Oo nga. So, maghanap kayo ng zipper na kung saan nyo gusto. So, ako dito ko na lang lalagay. This goes inside. Yan. Tapos yung adhesive,
Wait,
it goes in between nung adhesive sa So, ganito siya.
babe, one hand.
Sa zipper ko na lang ata.
Ito, babe.
Wala ka ba
Okay.
sa pantalon?
So, ganyan siya.
Ito, Jeff.
Ipit mo lang siya sa sticker, babe. Perfect. Okay, can you do mine?
Okay?
Babalikan na lang kita ha.
Sorry.
Papapalo ka pa.
Oh.
Okay na.
Okay, got it. Let's go. Wait, yung exposure. Ang saya, babe. Grabe. Alam mo, hindi pa ako nakakabagsak. Nag-enjoy na ako.
Ako nga, natatawa na.
Ano?
Natatawa. Ay, nagkalayo na ako. Ha?
Let's go, fall in line.
Andun yung...
Ito na, ready ka na?
Titaran! Let's go!
Ang baba daw, ang baba. Sabi kuya.
Ready na si Tita Rod!
Let's go!
So, nakapila pa rin kami, guys. Yung gamit ko, nilagay ko dun sa tube.
Sobra ka na to.
Bawi na lang next time. Matatamad na si ate ah.
Babe, ang dami mo side comment. Jeff, pakita mo yung...
Thank you. Ah, wait.
I know, right?
Wait, you gotta pick up your tube for me, sweetheart?
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You
Thank you. Yeah. Remain standing at all times. So, ganyan lang kami guys pag paakyat. Hey! So, ito pala yun guys. Kapag hindi ka nagsuot ng gloves mo from dun sa baba, tapos paakyat ka ng walang gloves, sobrang lamig pala. Siyempre, nasa mountain ka na eh. I'm super excited! Oops! Is that okay?
Yeah, the next one just stick with left.
I see. Okay. Alright, thank you.
Ano mas maganda dito para mabilis makapunta doon?
Magsasolo si Jim. Gusto ko
Salo?
Babe, kaya mo hawakan yan ha? Ha?
Wala mo hawakan yung lane, mabilis yan. Game,
two, please.
Spin!
Sino kasama? Oh.
Where did those Americans say?
Doon tayo.
Babe, natatakot ako. Babe, natatakot ako. Jeff, gawin mo yun, Jeff.
Sige pre,
O, sino kasama ko?
Tatlo tayo, gusto mo? Gagi ito.
dito na tayo, dito na tayo.
Fran, kaya mo, Misan? Kaya mo?
Yeah, I went like curious where you from. Newfoundland. Sometimes it's Irish,
Dito Rod.
sometimes it's an American. They tell me they're
Kaya yan, baba lang yan.
Please, the handle goes inside.
Yeah.
That one goes inside. That's it. Feet go up.
How do
back.
I?
So that one.
Oh, I see. Oh, shit. Wait.
Hawakan mo mabuti ha. Natasad. Pre, good luck!
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang.
Taas mo yung kapa mo. Hawakan mo mabuti yan ha. May huwag mong bibitawan to ha.
Yeah.
Team ready?
Ready!
We are ready! Super fun!
Eh, hawakan mo mabuti yan!
Again. Again! Woo. So we just take this tube with us? Alright. Alright.
Sama ko sa inyo, tatlo tayo.
Go! Saan tayo? Ay, this way. Yeah.
Sa'yo, pre. Sa umpisa lang
Ang
nakakatakot.
sarap. Hindi, masaya. Huwag kayo.
Doon tayo sa taas, babe.
Sige.
Oh my God.
Oh, shit.
Paano yan?
We need help.
May ticket. Pila lang tayo, babe.
Thank you.
Alam na naman niya.
Okay. Ay, babe!
Babe, ano ba yung kabit sa akin?
Babe, ikaw nagkabit niyan. Babe, baka na sagi mo siya.
Ito na, babe. Kabit mo wala lang. Ha?
Thank you. Pwede. 0.5 mo. Tapos yung right hand mo yung gamitin mo. Dominant ba yung right mo? Ayan. Nakagano na.
Doon tayo sa pier.
Gusto lang mataas maganda.
Miss Han, look back! Babe.
Babe, nahulog yung ano mo. Bakit namabit yan, ha?
So, dun yung mga nagsaski or snowboarding. Tapos dito yung tubing.
Little spin or no spin?
Okay, we're doing 8 persons. Babe, are you okay?
Ano muna? To each muna daw.
Pero 2 kayo ni ano, Jeff?
2 at a time.
2 kayo.
And then they'll just connect us.
Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to start off with 2 people. Go on my left and right. You're going to sit down on this northway. So just come around to my side and sit down on that way. And come to this as well. Come over here. Sit down there. Yep. Alright. So now you're going to have to hold on to that handle on the left. You'll need this tube.
Jeff, dun ka, Jeff.
Sit down.
Para
Just holding it. I'll get
Sa
another
kabilang
tube
side
over
kami
here.
para meron
Yeah.
doon na.
Yeah. Tapos ako yung sa gitna.
Babe, ikaw doon, sa kabilang side.
So yeah, throw that in there.
Parang merong
You're
camera
gonna
dun
have to
sa
grab
kabila.
it there. Just pull it around a little bit. You gotta make a big donut basically of 8 people.
Palit kayo ng tube.
Alright, so hold on to the handle of the tube next to you.
Oops.
Can I get a hand set?
Dito, Rod. Hawakan mo yung handle ko.
Are you doing like just 2?
Yeah, I was just gonna do like
That's
a loop
fine.
or 2 basically.
Okay. You could throw your handle in here. Alright, you can sit down. Oh, perfect. Now grab onto this handle.
Okay.
Awesome. You're good. Chuck in your rope.
It's okay.
I'm not ready yet.
I don't want to do that.
Next.
Kapit ako sa'yo.
Eh,
Yan.
Hindi ata ako makapag-video. Everyone's got a handle.
yeah.
You want me to take a photo?
Yeah, please.
Guys, let's take a photo. Over here.
Over here.
No, I've got enough of this place.
Alright, ready? Everybody smile. Smile. Perfect.
Thank you.
Welcome. Do you
I
help?
don't know if I can put this on.
As long as somebody else is like holding onto your tube, if you can
Alam mo, huwag mong bitawan yung tube ko.
nicely. No?
It's okay, it's okay. That's okay.
Otherwise, yeah, we have to.
What's wrong with it?
Got a couple people who want to record, so they only have like one hand to hold on.
Oh.
That's
We
okay.
got
Yeah, that's
3 or 4 cameras. You guys are recording every. All right, somebody might have to put away a phone or camera or something just so you can have a decent view.
Wait, so are we okay if I'm just holding
If you have
the
a
other
good
hand?
grip there, you should be all good. All right.
Yeah, just
Yep, everybody's
whoever's
linked.
not holding, just hold on. The other person has to hold on super tight. I would say just get out.
Yeah. All right. You guys ready?
Yeah, make sure you're hanging on, guys.
Everybody's linked up with their neighbor.
Yes!
All right. Let's go.
You guys can jump out. So you got, and then grab your teeth to get ahead.
Alright. Perfect! Kumana sila. Ang saya ng group, no? Yung mga tatlong baldog.
Mas mataas doon, no? Mas
Oo, mas maganda.
Di ba tumalpog yung akin? Tapos pagkawagsak, tumawa din sa matigas.
What?
Nabidyan mo?
Oo. Ikaw yung nasa likod ko eh.
hindi ko kaya kasi ano sila eh.
At saka misan, kayo yung ano yun, sa first eh.
Ride na lang tayo.
Sige isa oh.
Soloist?
Side na lang tayo, babe.
Babe, can you hold my tube?
Wala na nga, oh.
Just turn around. Backwards.
Spin, spin, spin!
Much.
Spin, spin, spin!
After full power, you know. You ready?
Pre, full power! Woo!
It's quite the acoustics to get the scream all the way back here.
Eh,
Do you appreciate the view as you go?
Yes.
I would love that. It is clear, so we are ready to go. Off we go. Bye-bye. I just back up a little bit.
Yeah.
Bye! Oh! Ooh.
Guys like that. You should have seen before. No! You should have seen before. I had like this big group of 4 or something, and they like.